Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this pleated dress as well as the pleated shoulder. You'll be needing your fabric, 3 yards or more depending on the size of the person that is going to wear it, tailor's chalk, scissors and tape rule. Fold your fabric into two. Draft a basic gown bodice. Extend the under bust line. You are going to pleat the under bust, so you have to extend the under bust. Connect together. Extend the neckline to the under bust. Cut out your under bust and shoulder extension. You will have something like this. You will have something like this. Open the second pattern. Connect the upper hip to the lower hip. Cut it out to achieve something like this. You can use slash and spread method for this down part to achieve fullness and pleat back the down part. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.